Hi friends, this video shows how to check software version. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Select about. Under about, here we can see version. Here it shows version 10. That means this TV is using Android TV OS version 10. Let me update this. Set system update. Now checking for update. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of this new update is Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update in this TV. So this way we can check software version. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.